Plant FAQs, Heuchera Fire Chief. A gardener's guide to the fiery Heuchera Fire Chief. For years, I've been on the hunt for plants that bring year-round visual interest to my garden. Enter the Heuchera Fire Chief, a stunning coral bell variety that has stolen my heart and a significant portion of my garden bed real estate. This fiery foliage wonder boasts not only captivating color, but surprising resilience, making it a perfect addition for busy gardeners like myself. What is a Heuchera Fire Chief? The Heuchera Fire Chief, also known as Fire Chief Coral Bells, is a compact, clump-forming perennial prized for its vibrant, fiery red foliage. These low-maintenance beauties mature to a height of around 18 inches when in flower, with a spread of roughly 16 inches. The true showstopper, however, is the foliage. Fire Chief boasts stunning, glossy, deep red leaves that hold their color well throughout the season, adding a pop of vibrancy to any garden. But the Fire Chief isn't just a pretty face. This particular variety is known for its heat and humidity tolerance, making it a fantastic choice for gardeners in warmer climates. Additionally, it's a re-blooming variety, meaning you can expect to enjoy dainty pink and white flowers held aloft on dark red stems throughout spring, summer, and even into early fall. I've found that Heuchera Fire Alarm's vibrant red leaves brighten up my garden more dramatically than the more subdued hues of Heuchera Fire Chief. How to care for your Heuchera Fire Chief. The Heuchera Fire Chief thrives with minimal effort, making it a great choice for novice and seasoned gardeners alike. Here's what you need to know. Light. Fire Chief is a versatile plant that can tolerate full sun to partial shade. However, in very hot climates, some afternoon shade is recommended to prevent the leaves from scorching. Soil. Well-drained soil is key. Amending your planting area with compost or other organic matter can help ensure proper drainage. Watering. Water regularly, especially during the first growing season, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Once established, Fire Chief is fairly drought-tolerant. Feeding. While not essential, a light feeding with a balanced fertilizer in early spring can encourage vibrant growth. How to propagate your Heuchera Fire Chief. Sharing is caring, and the Heuchera Fire Chief is a plant worth sharing. Luckily, propagation is a breeze. The most common method is division. In early spring or fall, carefully dig up your mature Fire Chief and use a sharp knife to divide it into sections, each with a good amount of roots and foliage. Replant the divisions in prepared soil and water well. What to plant with your Heuchera Fire Chief. The Heuchera Fire Chief's compact size and vibrant foliage make it a versatile addition to various garden settings. Here are some ideas for companion plants. Hostas. The cool green foliage of hostas provides a beautiful contrast to the Fire Chief's red leaves. Ferns. Ferns add a touch of elegance and texture to any garden and pair well with the Fire Chief's bold color. Daylilies. Daylilies offer a burst of color during the summer months and complement the Fire Chief's long blooming season. Ornamental grasses. The airy texture of ornamental grasses adds movement and visual interest to a planting scheme featuring the Fire Chief. Are Heuchera Fire Chief coral bells deer resistant? Unfortunately, deer don't find the Heuchera Fire Chief particularly appealing. The foliage contains tannins, which deer find distasteful. While not completely deer-proof, Fire Chief is a good option for gardens where deer browsing is a concern. Why you need a Heuchera Fire Chief in your garden. The Heuchera Fire Chief is a low-maintenance powerhouse that delivers year-round visual interest. Its vibrant foliage adds a fiery pop to any garden, while its compact size makes it a versatile addition to borders, containers, or walkways. With its heat and humidity tolerance, re-blooming nature, and ease of care, the Heuchera Fire Chief is a surefire winner for gardeners of all levels. So, why not give this fiery beauty a try in your own garden? You won't be disappointed.